Wow.
Yeah, doing better than that, Nikki.
Don't say my name.
I think you're gonna fart.
Hold on.
That's not a burp. Oh, nice. You done?
No.
Fail.
Shut up.
You done?
Your turn.
Why?
Okay, Ashley, come on, burp it out. Ashley Lindsay of Eustis, Florida, burp it.
I didn't say